Hey guys, welcome to Scrummy Kitchen. So just by looking into the ingredients, you might know what I'm gonna prepare today. Yeah, so I'll be preparing today the veg mushroom noodles, which is very simple and easy and tasty too. So before getting started, let me tell you the ingredients needed for the recipe. Here I have taken 500 grams of noodles, Hakka noodles that is been cooked. So I'll tell you the process of cooking. Just in a kadai, add some water. To the water, add some oil and salt. The oil is to not make the noodles get stick each other. So yeah, once the water started boiling, just add the noodles and cook for 5 minutes. Okay, so this is how it should be. Yes, next olive oil. Here I have some paprika sauce, which is peri peri sauce, and here I have green chili sauce, chili vinegar, garlic chili sauce, soy sauce. So each and every sauce I'll be adding 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Soy sauce alone I'll be adding 1 teaspoon. And here I have green, yellow and red bell peppers sliced, onion, 2 medium-sized onions sliced, 5 garlics finely chopped. Here I have taken 15 mushrooms sliced and some salt. So without wasting time, let's get started. Here I have taken a wok. Just use this kind of kadai. That will be easy for you to mix the noodles. So this is called wok. So here I have taken a wok and I have added some olive oil. Now the olive oil is heated up. To this I will be adding the vegetables. Now I am adding these garlics. Roast the garlics until it turns into a nice golden brown color. Now this is ready. To this I am gonna add these vegetables. Now just stir the vegetables. Do not overcook, because I love the crispiness of the vegetables. Just give a good stir. This is done. To this, now I am adding the mushrooms. Now again stir fry this. So wait until the mushroom gets cooked. So this will take around 5 minutes. Now to make the vegetables cook easily, I am adding salt. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Later we'll add some more salt. Now just close this and cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of peri peri sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, and last I am adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now mix all this. Today I am not adding tomato sauce, but then if you wish you can add tomato ketchup. Just give a good stir until this turns into a turns dry. Now to this again I am adding some salt. Now at this stage I'll be adding the noodles. Just slowly add the noodles like this. Now start mixing this. Slowly mix this. Just don't break the noodles. If you don't feel comfortable while mixing with 1 spoon, just use another spoon to mix it. Now this noodles is ready. This simple stir fried noodles is ready. Mushroom noodles. So for the people who wanted to be a non-vegetarian, you can also add egg to this. We're just stirring the vegetables itself. Just add 2 or 3 eggs and just give a good mix, and later you can add the noodles. And secondly, you might think why this is in white in color. I haven't added any type of sauce that is going to give you that red color or spiciness. If you want it to be very spicy, Then you can add the chili garlic paste that I have already added. I have used when I prepared the fried rice. That you can use the same sauce to this, and you will get that nice spicy red color noodles. But today I don't want it to be too spicy, so I just made like this. So now this is ready. Now I can just transfer this into a plate. Now I have transferred this into a plate. So now the super easy, delicious, a simple stir-fried mushroom noodles is ready. You can see. This is the basic form of noodles. So as I said, if you wanted to be more spicy, then as I said before, just add the chili garlic paste that I have been used in the fried rice. If you have any doubts, I'll give the link in the description. You can just have a look on the fried rice, and I would have given a brief description about the sauce. Yeah. So if you like this recipe, like the video, share the video, comment the video, and do not forget to subscribe Scrummy Kitchens. For more notification, hit the bell button. Thank you.